an image of an item that you're trying to sell, and of course I'm not going to edit the actual item that I'm selling because that would be cheating. I'm just going to remove everything else that affects the image. So for example, I'm trying to sell this air conditioner, but I have to remove all the other things from this picture, and then I think it will give it a better selling opportunity. And then here, just start a new one, new project, and then let's add the image. Okay, now that it's added, here he will give you all the settings, and it's free totally. So just put 4 nano banana pro, and then here, can you remove all the items from this picture except the air conditioner and the white tube. Leave the window and the clouds. Just, I'm gonna actually make this in caps. Just remove the pink round toy, the black tangle, and the items to the right of the image. The point is to be able to sell the air conditioner and the exhaust tube connected to the window. Alright, and then I should have maybe put like keep it realistic or something like that, but if he fails, then I'm gonna copy the same prompt again, and then I'm gonna add like keep everything realistic. But from the times that I've used this, he keeps it pretty realistic anyway. So let's see what he does, and then we can also give it other details like, yeah, look how clean that comes. Like now it's much better for you to sell this, and you have many options here, different angles. He kept the brand, which is super important, but I'm gonna go with the angle I had, which is more or less this one. So this is the one I'm gonna use, and let me see if I can also, when you're gonna download, upscale it to 2K so you get better quality. And then also let's do something like, can you remove the spots on the wall painting, like that. And then now let's go for it so that everything looks like much cleaner. So yeah, let's wait for the results, and I think it should be good for us to put it in Craigslist or Facebook Market and sell it. Alright, that looks much better. Awesome. Now let's download it. Let me actually, can I zoom? Okay, let's download it in 2K. So he's gonna auto upscale the image and automatically download it, and then we can see the results, and we'll zoom in. Alright, so now that it's done, let's see, where is it? Sorry, that's the old one. This is okay. So now let's compare it side by side. This is the old one, and this is the new one. And then let's see if I zoom. As you can see, the brand is there. Let's try to zoom on this one. Yeah, I think he modified the eye a little bit, but I mean, the brand is still the same. So the product looks much better, much cleaner, and I think it's much more sellable this way. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.